Hey guys, this is Lyle from the lab. We get the question a lot. People ask us, what do we do? So we fix phones, that being iPhone, Samsung, Motorola, some phones we haven't even heard of sometimes. We fix some phones from overseas that people are visiting for a week or so. We also fix iPads, we fix MacBooks, other computers if the value's there, and then we do some micro soldering and drone repair. And we could pretty much anything electronic, if we can get parts for it, we can fix it. And guys, remember, broken is never the end. If you have something that is having issues or broken, bring it here to the lab and we will take care of you.
And everyone leaves with a smile.